In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit stages in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process in a simple and practical way so you can update your deal stages exactly the way you need. Editing stages in Zoho CRM is useful when you want your sales pipeline to better reflect your real business process. You might need to rename a stage, add a new one, or remove stages that no longer apply. All of that can be done from the stage probability mapping area inside your Deals module settings. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the Setup area. This is where Zoho keeps most of the configuration options for your CRM, including module customization. Inside Setup, click on Modules and Fields. This section allows you to manage how different CRM modules are structured. Since stages are usually connected to your sales pipeline, the next thing you'll do is click on Deals. After opening the Deals module settings, select the layout you want to edit. This is important because if your CRM has multiple layouts, each one can have its own stage setup. Be sure to choose the correct layout before making any changes so your edits apply in the right place. Once you've selected the layout, click the three-dot menu. This will open additional options related to that layout. From there, choose Stage Probability Mapping. This is the area where you can manage the stages connected to your deals. In this section, you can double-click the stage name to edit it. This is the easiest way to rename an existing stage if your team uses different terminology or if you want to make the pipeline clearer and more accurate. If you need to add a new stage, click the plus icon. This lets you insert another stage into your process, which can be helpful if your sales workflow has expanded or if you want more detailed tracking between milestones. You can also delete a specific stage if it's no longer needed. Just be careful when removing stages, especially if they've already been used in existing records, because changing your pipeline structure can affect how deals are categorized and reported. Once you've made your updates, take a moment to review everything for consistency. Clear and organized stage names can make your pipeline easier to manage for everyone on your team. And that's how to edit stages in Zoho CRM.